Hi guys, welcome back to Bishop+Rook. Just a quick Friday shop tour. As per tradition, it's my turn today, so I'm going to just walk around with the camera and show you everything that's been going on this week. So we've got Oliver. Oliver turned up as a modern take on a Keswick Green 90. That's now been changed to a more heritage look. So we got it in the paint booth because after buying it we'd realised that actually although the paint looked great from 6 feet, it wasn't amazing up close. So we did a full blow over on that, fitted some White Wolf wheels and a white roof with the proper station wagon Alpine windows. The interior has been cleaned up. The roof lining has been fitted in black, as I don't know if you saw the original videos, but the roof lining wasn't actually attached. So we've got that. We've got another paint job going on. That's a Corris Grey 90 that's currently going through the booth. We've got some bits here. I think they're for another project we're working on at the moment. Currently the booth is empty. Tell a lie, the booth is not empty. Got some black bits in there, some fan shrouds. I believe those parts are for a 200 TDI. Going into the main workshop, we've got obviously ram-packed at the moment with stuff. Got Project Black Mamba that's had some cosmetic work done on the body this week. The glass has been fitted. This is the panoramic kit. The extended wheel arches. And then some mechanical work working towards getting it running. We've got Jersey that's just had some basic work done this week on brake lines and wiring. We've got Project Steel, which is now a runner. So we did the first startup video today on this vehicle. Project Toto is now on her wheels and she's round in the mechanical side, which means we're just going to finish up on some of the mechanical stuff. That's a beautiful truck, by the way, available for sale at the moment. So if you're looking for an original vehicle, do get in touch and ask us about that one. You've probably already seen the full build series that we've done on that. We will get another episode of that out in the next couple of days. Just over there you can see Sky 3. Sky 3 is just having the mechanical work done. We've got Project Wilkes. Now Wilkes has been coming along very, very well. I would think that we're going to follow up in the next week with road testing. We've now got the dashboard complete, so we're going to start putting that together. We've got Project Polish, which is now in the final stages of road testing. That's been out on the road all day today. We've got a couple of little things that we need to sort, but for the most part it's there. That's starting to turn into a lovely looking vehicle, and obviously it's got fantastic air conditioning, which has really transformed the road testing. Project Fergus. Again, Project Fergus just having some basic mechanical stuff over the past week. Is getting to the point now where we're going to start thinking about full road testing on this. Got some interior bits to fit. Deep Eddy, currently had to remove the dashboard on Deep Eddy to have that reconditioned, as after we'd put it in we decided that it wasn't quite up to standard. So yeah, Deep Eddy at the moment. Obviously it's still got the hidden Bishop+Rook sticker on the dash. We'll cover that up with the main dashboard when it comes back from the trimmers. And that's the shop this week.